Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Want to take a few moments here and share with you a boat that we just got in, used boat. It's a 2019 21-foot Sea Ray SPX outboard. Folks, this boat is like new. It only has 10 hours on this boat. Boat's always been kept in the dry barn here at the marina. It's equipped with a Mercury 150 engine. Let me tell you, this boat will really get up on plane and get you where you need to fast. You see the nice extended swim platform here, nice boarding ladder. Does have a ski tow pylon for tubing and skiing. A very nice big sun lounge for those that like to lay out on the lounge with tons of storage you can lift up back here. This also, folks, lifts up, so when you're at the island, you can sit back here and relax and sit down. Just a lot of nice features in this 21-foot boat. Come on aboard, let me show you some other things. Okay, everyone, here we are aboard this 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX OB, standing for outboard. Look at the cockpit space, tons of room in here to relax, enjoy at the island. And I didn't point out, notice the sea decking all along through the walk-through transom, as well as on the extended swim platform. Folks, you've got storage everywhere in this boat. Remember how this lifted up so you can look back and relax and face the island? Well, also, this hull lifts up for just tremendous amount of storage in here. Okay, you can put all kinds of things in here. Right here is awesome. This is a designated cooler. Self-draining, that's really nice. But also on this side, you've got a designated area for the carry-on cooler, so that's a bonus. Storage up underneath all the seats. You've got in-floor ski locker. That's where I have the covers that completely cover the entire boat. The tonneau cover, the whole cockpit. Folks, this you can cover this boat up so it just stays immaculate and clean inside. As we walk forward here to the helm area, this is a nice added bonus. Both captain's chairs have bolsters they can flip down. Also has a 5-inch Simrad display GPS bottom machine. You've got a nice Fusion stereo here. It's got a nice stereo in it. You've got what they call a glove box here that you can put some valuables in, put your cell phones, whatnot. Cup holders all throughout the boat. Storage here. And as we walk through the center console here, notice how you can close this off if you get some inclement weather, or if it's real windy or a little bit chilly. And you've got all this bow seating. Folks, this is a great boat to enjoy pleasure boating, watching the sunset, going to have dinner, going to have lunch, spending the day at the island or the sandbar. Nice bimini top for plenty of shading. I urge you to come check this boat out. It won't last long, with only 10 hours on this boat at an incredible, accessibly priced point. So again, my name is Kenny Brown. Come see me at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.